What's up, everybody? I'm in this weight room right now at work, and it's beautiful, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely better than the garage, although I do like my bench in the garage a little bit better. But anyway, today's purpose or today's why that I'm doing this. I want to check out my shoulder. It has been problematic for me. I had an injury for a while. I did not properly warm up on my overhead presses, so I paid for it, and I haven't done the things that I normally do in a while. So we're going to see real quick. I'm just going to put like some light work because I don't want to get all sweaty and all of that. I'm not even prepared for all of that. I just want to put a little work in on the bench to see where I'm at. I'm not going to go super heavy. I will go up to 3 plates. That's about it. And if I'm feeling any issues, I'm going to fall back. So quick video. I'm not really going to be editing this, so you'll just see it like raw. Okay, I'm just going to put the sets back to back, and I'm not going to do that many sets. I will push up to maybe 7 to 10 reps. We'll see, depending on his shoulder. But the last time I did this, it was pretty decent, and I felt that I was maybe 95%, but I wasn't really pushing myself to go heavier because I didn't want to have any mishaps. So let's see what happens. Little soreness, but I'm gonna finish warming up. And this bench is a lot skinnier than mine in the back. This bar is really skinny too. All right, let's go up. Just doing a 60-second. I might go up, depending on how these 3 plates feel. We'll see in a second. I could have got some more reps in, but I started feeling some fatigue in my bad shoulder, so I slowed down. Take another 60. And normally I would walk around This cold stop isn't really what I like to do, but we're just gonna do it today. I'm really trying not to get sweaty. So 60 seconds. All right, I think that's 60. Let's crank out another set of 5. Trying to go a little bit tighter this time. This bench is a little awkward for me. All right, let's go up. 4 plates. I'm gonna take a full 60 on this. I haven't hit 4 plates in a long time, probably almost a month. And maybe I shouldn't be doing this. Maybe I can't do this, but I'm going to try it. I'll tell you that. All right. Cake. That was cake. I could have hit 2 of those. All right, let me do one more. Yeah, I felt that strength, man. And I'll talk about that once I get a little bit closer. So, matter of fact, let me get closer right now. I felt the time off has given my body the time it needed to heal. And now I noticed that 405 came up really easy. It's like I can hit it twice. So I'm going to try it right now, okay? Let me take this 90 and then get it. Now, don't laugh if I don't get it, okay? Don't be laughing at your boy. And just to test, to make sure these weights are not off, I'm going to try it again when I get home on another session of John's Garage. So we'll see if I can hit this twice. It just felt lighter, you guys. I'm just telling you, it felt a lot lighter. So here we go. I'll give myself 15 more seconds. All right, here we go. really feel I can do that 3 times. But I'm not going to dry it. So I'm satisfied with that. I'm going to go down and do a cool down. All right, this is one long take. I'll fast forward it. And this is all I'm going to do because I feel like I'm about to start getting sweaty, and I do not want that. Twenty seconds. I think I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop and let my shoulder heal up. Okay? All the way. Now, that session was really good. I'm satisfied with what's going on with my body and the recovery that I was smart enough to allow to take place. So I'm going to sign off right now. I'm going to do this cool down, and I'll get back to you in the next full episode of John's Garage. Now, John's Garage is consolidated. I'm really hitting an hour 30 minutes on these workouts, but I'm actually being a little lazy because I really want these videos to go on YouTube, but it's a little more work. And after doing this work, I don't feel like doing no other work. But I'll work it out. And it's just a lot easier for me to pop them up on the gram. So stay tuned for more great videos coming at you. Either these shorts in this gym, 10 to 15 minutes, or back in the garage. Take it easy. I hate when people don't clean up the rack. So I'm not going to be one of those people. Clean up after yourself when you're in the gym. All right, it's nice and tidy like those whiteys you wear. There we go. Clean. I cleaned up after myself.